Hey everybody, thanks for checking this video out today. Wanted to do another just sort of in real time video. I'm driving to a job right now, and I think this is a really good example of how with extremely little work you can land really good jobs, whether you would be doing this part-time, at night, on the weekend. In my case, I'm doing this full-time, but this is so easy to do. Now, this job has hard work. The work itself is hard and dirty, but so what? The pay is great, and getting jobs like this is not difficult, and it is not rocket science. So I'm on my way to a clean out, literally a junked out house. I don't know if it was a hoarding situation or what. I have no idea. But I'm going there. I'm bringing a wheelbarrow and some shovels. That's it for tools. That's all I need. Now I have some other tools that make it a little easier. I'm bringing some cordless tools, a Sawzall and some other stuff like that, just to make it a little easier. I have a dolly that makes it a little easier, and I suppose having a truck makes it easier to carry the stuff back and forth. But you could put a wheelbarrow in a car if you needed to, and a scoop shovel, and that's all you need to do. I talked with the customer. He's renting the dumpsters. He's doing all the legwork. Now, I actually like to manage that stuff myself, because then I'm in control of it and I don't have to rely on someone else to do the scheduling. But you don't have to do it that way. This works perfectly well also. This is a pretty big job. I devoted a week to this, knowing that I'm not going to be able to work 8 hours every day, because I've got some other jobs that I can squeeze in here and there. The weather has not been great. I devoted a week to this. So think of it this way. How much do you make in a week at your current job? Now think about if you weren't doing that and you charged that same amount of money to a customer to do a whole house clean out. Based on averages, I would guess, whatever it is that you make in a week. If you said, okay, I will do it, I will clean out your house for your current weekly pay plus 10%. Plus, hey, let's say you're going to pay taxes. Let's increase it, round up a little. Let's increase it by 20%. So your current amount of pay plus 20%. Do you think that would give you a competitive price compared to a large company that actually does this kind of work day in and day out? Yes, almost surely it would, right? I frankly don't know what a professional junk clean out type service would charge, but it'd be thousands of dollars. For sure, thousands of dollars, probably $4,000 to $5,000 is what I would guess. So you want to make as much money as possible, but if you devoted a week, or you devoted a week's worth of evenings or a long weekend, and you charged half of that, you charged $2,500, you charge $2,000, and all you need to do is show up, put on some gloves, and shovel trash into a wheelbarrow and carry it out and dump it in the dumpster. That sounds pretty good to me. So there's so many jobs like this out there, guys. Again, being self-employed like this and doing this kind of work is really good. It's really quite a secret, I guess, because I don't know why more people don't do this. So I'm trying to show you guys what I'm doing to inspire other people to do this. If you're sick of your job, if you're sick of working for someone else, if you want some flexibility, I would really encourage you to strongly do this. Well, get off here. I'll take a little video when I get out to the site and show you a little bit more specifically what I'm dealing with out there. But for now, I just wanted to say, you know, yeah, like here's just another example of a very lucrative job that does not require any skills. There's no upfront costs. There's no cost at all other than, I suppose, the gas costs. And I really encourage you to consider this kind of work. All right, here we are on scene at the site. Here's some larger items I've pulled out. I'm gonna stash these mattresses up on top. Appliances, a little pile of metal. I'm gonna be saving all this metal to scrap it, so I'll make a little bit of extra money then on top. Here's the dumpster from my workout here yesterday. You can see it's just a bunch of trash. Again, this dumpster is arranged to be here by the customer. Like I said, I do prefer to manage that myself on jobs like this, but in this case he wanted to do it, so that's fine. Walking in the house, this was completely full of trash and whatever else. There's a wheelbarrow. I set up some boards. I have a little ramp. This room was completely full. So I've been out here a number of days now. Really only two, the longest day I've had out here was 6 hours. All of this is cleaned out so far. This is what a junk clean out looks like in a hoarding type situation. Coming in here, worked on this. Room that's empty, I need to get this big case out of here. Here's where I left off yesterday. You can see there's a little bit of stuff remaining in here. I've chipped away at the bathroom, and this is what the rest of the house looked like. It's just full of all sorts of trash and garbage and whatever. So again, guys, I hope you can see I'm making a lot of money this week. If I devoted 8-hour days to this, full days, and was out here working steadily, I mean, I think this is probably a 3-day job. But that's not how I wanted to do it. I wanted to just give it a week and, you know, have some flexibility. Like I said, one day I was only out here a couple hours because I had some other things come up. And it's literally just taking a shovel and scooping this into a wheelbarrow and rolling the wheelbarrow out here and putting it in the dumpster. And that's that. And it's really good money. And yeah, it's hard work, but it's not difficult. There's no rocket science involved. So I hope this has been instructive. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, please let me know. I try to be really responsive in the comments. I'm just really excited about sharing this stuff with you guys, and because it's been so great for me, I hope that I can inspire some other people. So please let me know what other kind of content you want to see. I could talk about how I get these jobs and pricing and things like that. Hopefully those would become at a later point when I can sit down and have a little bit more clear thoughts instead of just going in real time. All right, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Even if you never watch another video, please subscribe because it does help the algorithm. It helps it grow. And for small creators like myself, that is the difference between you know, a channel that grows and a channel that doesn't. Okay, thanks for watching.